You, I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true.
Hi Bella, do you want to be in my style video? Hi everyone, it's your girl Allie and Bella. Today I'm sharing with you my 12 best style secrets with the help of this little puppy. One of the most frequently asked questions on my Instagram and YouTube is, Allie, can you share with me your best style secrets? Well, today I'm finally spilling the secrets and sharing with you my top 12 best clothing hacks and style secrets that I think every girl should know. You who are looking for some style tips to improve your style or just looking for ways to maximize your wardrobe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe to join my fashion squad. Click the button here or down below. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Go! It doesn't really matter how much your clothes cost as long as it fits you well. It is crucial to have quality basics. I mean, invest in a quality white t-shirt that isn't see-through, where you can't see your bra, and to have pants that actually fit you. So this is my very first pair of petite jeans from Madewell, and oh my gosh, the fact that I don't have to bring these to a tailor and cut them or alter it in any way is just amazing. So definitely invest in a pair of good quality jeans. I feel like the 90s layering trend has been coming in really hot lately. For the winter time, I've been really into dressing more modestly, and I love that the 90s layering trend is coming back. So I can definitely get more wear out of my summer dresses like this by layering a top underneath. I definitely see myself wearing this look for an Instagram post. I know it's pretty out there with the blazer and this DIY belt. Take a sash off of your coat like this and use it as a DIY belt. Loop your sash through the bangle, and now that it's halfway through, bring it around your waist, and then now taking this fabric, bring it over, and all you're going to do now is just tuck it in. Ta-da! That's pretty much it. How to make your own DIY belt with just a bangle and a sash. So I really love the vintage look of this outfit. Let me know what you think. Do you like it, dislike it? Comment down below. Trust me, these little things go a long way. So here are two mock neck sweaters that I've been getting a ton of wear out of lately, and I'm obsessed with them if you can't tell. I wear them in pretty much every single video, and these are from Forever 21, and I know it's not the most sustainable brand, but I've had these for over 3 years and I've kept them very well. So next I'm going to show you how I can keep my clothes and extend the wear of them. I'm not sure if you could tell, but this shirt has a ton of lint on it and dog fur, so I'm going to take this lint roller and I'm going to roll it over the top just to get rid of any of the lint, and that is how to make any clothing item look so much more expensive, because lint can definitely cheapen the look of an outfit. Always be sure to pull the shirt from underneath to make sure that it is nice and smooth against your body so that there are no extra creases. Tip number 5 is to make sure to invest in quality jewelry. If you have cool tone skin, definitely go for silver. If you have warm tone skin like me, I really love wearing gold jewelry like this. Bella's favorite accessory is her dog tag. Bella, do you like my rings? Ah! So I will link for you guys down below my favorite simple dainty gold jewelry that I wear every single day. number 6, I love matching my shoes with my outfit. I think it's the most easy and simplest way to get dressed. During the January-February months, this was one of my favorite gowns to wear. I find that this dress is super body flattering for all different shapes and sizes.
You gotta listen up, listen up.
Instead of going to your typical online shop, check out your local thrift store to find trendier pieces because you not only save a lot of money, but also it's good for the environment. Trends tend to come and go, and if you want to experiment, why not do it in a sustainable way?
Hold it tight, 'cause you're the
For this clothing hack, you're going to need rubber bands, you know, those things that you save from the grocery store for this moment right here. I'm going to put the rubber band over my sleeve, and then I'm going to scrunch it up and then bring the fabric over just a little bit. And that's pretty much how you scrunch up your blazers and it stays in place. So I know these are things that you might not think about on a day-to-day basis. If you have an old bra where it pops out like mine, then it's not going to make your outfit look as good as it could be. You know, having your straps showing or just having the little creases of your bra popping out definitely takes away from the look of an outfit. There's nothing I love more than a monochromatic look. It's so visually pleasing on the eye. I even made a dedicated lookbook on this topic. If you're interested, I'll have it linked for you guys down below or over here on the I button. On top, I'm wearing this sweater crop top. So I love mixing the textures of this like linen pant with the sweater crop top. And then for my purse, I decided to keep everything very natural with the straw detailed bag. Another quick little style tip is you can hang your sunglasses right here on the front of your shirt so that it just gives it another extra flair and it gives it more style to your look. If you're a modest girl and you love being a little bit more covered up, I highly recommend investing in a quality cardigan. Cardigans can transition really well from spring all the way to summer, fall, and winter. And this is one piece I've been reaching for every single day this year. I have a little secret to share with you, which isn't really such a big deal, but I actually wear a size 9 shoe and my feet are huge for my height. I'm only 5'3", so it's such a struggle to find shoes that flatter my feet without making them look humongous. I know everyone's been super into the ugly sneaker trend, but hey, I'm still into the pretty sneaker trend. So I have 2 pairs of shoes right here that I've been really loving. This blush pink pair from Keds, and then these espadrille sneakers, and it just elongates my body in all the right ways. Check out these 2, I'll link it down below.
Hi, baby! Did you have a good time outside?
Sometimes I purchase clothing and it doesn't really quite fit me right when I first try it on, but then I do have to envision what it would look like when I take it home and style it. So I purchased this tee because it's great at gathering the fabric in the front, and then you can add a simple knot, pieces with more fabric so you can play around with it. If you're interested in shopping any of the looks in this video, check the description box down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more daily outfit inspiration at Fashion by Ali. Don't forget to send me your fashion dilemmas over on Instagram or down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to pick your requests for my next video. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you next time.